Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Don't have time to make an appointment to remove your gel polish at the salon? Or, like me, do you want to just be able to do it at home? I chose this gel nail polish remover as my option for removing my gel nails at home. And the process is just so easy. You file the top coat of the gel polish on your nail and then apply the remover like you would with any polish. Then you wait, and then it lifts off your nail, and I removed it with a nail tool. The bottle is just like a bottle of nail polish, so it's nice and small, easy to store. The brush is nice and covers the nails easily as you apply the remover. I love that this gel nail polish remover gives me the option to remove my polish at home, and it did a great job for me. And that's my point of view.